Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Salam to you, my dear brothers and sisters all over the world. I hope inshallah all is well. قال الله تعالى في كتابه إنما كان قول المؤمنين إذ دعوا إلى الله ورسوله ليحكم بينهم أن يقولوا سمعنا وأطعنا وأولئك هم المفلحون. It means all the response of the faithful when they are summoned to Allah and His Apostle that He may judge between them is to say, we hear and obey. It is they who are the felicitous. In some hadiths, the Prophet of Islam has introduced Imam Ali, peace be upon him, as the best person in the eyes of God and the Messenger. The question is, what is the difference between Ali alayhi salam and other companions of the Prophet of God? What does Ali ibn Abi Talib, peace be upon him, have that makes him superior compared to others? What causes this difference in degrees of faith? Today's verse answers all of these questions. Faith in the Prophet is important, but being committed to the Prophet is more important than that. The quality of the sense of duty towards the Messenger of God determines the difference between the faith of people and the difference between companions. What is this commitment? This commitment is to see what the prophets wanted to do in this world. What was he trying to achieve? What was his grief? You know, when some people find themselves between the dilemma of accepting the obligation and not accepting the obligation towards the Holy Prophet, they make a third way for themselves and place themselves in the middle. That is dangerous. They believe in the Prophet's prophecy, but they have accepted this belief without obligation. This belief is definitely wrong, and I can tell you, dangerous, because whoever is not right, or better to say, whoever is not with right is against the right. Amirul Mu'minin, peace be upon him, said, "As-sakitu akhur radi wa man lam yakun ma'ana kana alayna." It means whoever is not with us is against us and is our enemy. You know, me within my power, you to the best of your ability. Let's take a step to fulfill the Prophet's wish. Let us help each other for fulfilling the purpose of our Prophet, inshallah. All the best to you. Bye.